yeah, it should be a good season. I think we're in a much better spot this year than last year, and healthy coming into this off season, so which is nice to have a full block, and yeah, feeling good, and yeah, ready to go racing. Probably everybody, I would say. I want to win the championship this year. That's my main goal, so I would have to be everybody, but yeah, there's some tough guys on my team I'm gonna have to beat, and there's some tough guys on some other teams I'm gonna have to beat. I'm not a big superstitious guy. I do normally the same thing like before, like warm-up times and stuff like that, but not like I put one boot on the same leg, or I'm not like that kind of person. So yeah, I'll just normally stick to my routine, but no, not really many superstitions. J-Coop and Webb, they been there, done it, won championships. So yeah, I'm just trying to get every little bit of piece they can give me, and take it in and absorb it, and yeah, try to be better from it. My first couple years, it was like a lot, you know, to just be there and try to be in the moment. But now it's gotten easier and easier with the years. I'm going into my 5th season, so yeah, it's gotten definitely easier. But yeah, it's still the butterflies, especially the first round every year, the whatever coast you do. It's yeah, there's nothing like it. That's why I keep doing it, and yeah, man, it's awesome.